Welcome back. Automation. Could it be a job killer? The restaurant industry is embracing automation. It's serving up efficiency at chains like Chipotle and Shake Shack, but businesses insist it's actually working alongside the staff. That's a little bit of a relief, not replacing them. Robert Irvine knows a thing or two about the restaurant industry. He is a chef and entrepreneur. He is the author of Overcoming Impossible, and he joins us now on set. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Let's talk about automation and what you're working on specifically, how you incorporate the human element, the automation element into the military.
Well, it's really simple. You know, we don't have the staff to do the mundane jobs anymore. Counter service, for example, order taking. I have a company called GRUBBRR, GRUBBRR, that is automation, literally 98% success rate in people using it. That tells me something. Why? Because 28 to 35% increase in sales. If you look at Flippy and Chippy, Chippy makes French fries and Flippy turns hamburgers. These are jobs that we can't fill for $27, $30 an hour. So automation is really helping us with the jobs that we can't fill. It's not replacing jobs. Please, people are under this mad thing that it's not. We can't find the help to do it. So in the military, in Fort Jackson, we just put a grab and go in there using GRUBBRR technology. We've done one in Andrews Air Force Base, I beg your pardon, and we have one in the Pentagon. So is it replacing? No, it's paying a higher value to the person to do a better job.
There's a cause pretty near and dear to my heart. I know Jackie agrees with me. Some of the chemicals that they allow in food in the U.S. are banned in Europe.
Oh, absolutely.
How is this possible, and how do you go along with this sort of nutritional trend that I feel like is an uphill battle in this country?
So it is, and you're exactly right. Europe would not allow half of the product that put into the U.S. food, for sure. But what we've done in nutrition, especially with the military and our grab and goes, is all healthy grains and nuts and homemade chicken. That, by the way, if you buy a chicken breast that has 1,000 milligrams of sodium in it before you buy it, well, the military standard is 600 milligrams. So what do I do then? You get a chef, put salt all over it, and then you wonder why we have high blood pressure in this country. So there's ways to do it. As I said, we just opened them in bases. We're rolling that across the Army, Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps, and Coast Guard, and Space Force. So there are ways around it. We can't, look, we talk about people, automation. Then you have to look at, okay, what is the value-added product that I can buy that's nutritionally sound that I don't have to make? Peeled potatoes, mashed potatoes, for example. Why would I spend, you for 4 hours making mashed potato when I can buy it and I know what's in it and I can serve it knowing the nutritionals each one of us is going to get? It's a no-brainer.
Taylor didn't include me in that healthy eating conversation for a reason. I'm more the flipper chipper guy. I want to ask you about going back to automation, kind of marrying these things together. There's this huge conversation right now about men in America, getting them off the sidelines, getting them to work, eating healthier, kind of re-engaging life. That's something you think a lot about as an ex-military guy, as a guy who loves the weight room. Talk about how you do that. It's really
simple. Look, we've just started a program on my foundation, RobertIrvineFoundation.org. It's called Let's Chow. It's taking guys and girls that have come from the military, that are sitting at home because they're getting a paycheck, and they don't know what to do, where to go. They've been part of something big. We got Let's Chow. It's a food truck. We teach them, and if I tell you we've done 15,000 hours of education to 50 veteran-owned companies and donated 50,000 meals to homeless folks and veterans, that's how you do it. Look, you're driven by money, you're not. You're driven by vacation. You're driven by something completely different, health and fitness, whatever. You've got to understand the people that are going to work for you, and what do you entice them with? Why do you join the military? Serve the country. We've got to push the buttons to make people excited about doing them jobs.
Absolutely. Robert, fantastic stuff. We'll read your book. We're glad to have you here.
Appreciate you. And get off the Flippy and Chippy.
I don't know. It's pretty good sometimes.
I don't know what
and
that
get
is,
off the red 40.
but we'll talk about it later.
Awesome stuff. Thank you.